Check this out, this guy t-shirt. I love Ubud Bali. This is petrol station, by the way.
Lempong, sambal, betul-betul lempong.
Oh, lempong.
Ya?
Lempong mantan. Ini lempong. Udah sih Pak.
2.000.
Okay. So this is traditional, dessert. This is called lempong, made of cassava. So, yo, what's up? So yes, now we are in Ubud actually,
And we're trying to explore a few new places in Ubud because some places are getting to be closed and obviously bankruptcy, and other places are just opening. So we decided this is the good opportunity to see something new.
Yeah. So there is one place in Ubud in restaurant. It's called kind of a jungle club again. Now there's so many jungle clubs in Ubud, yeah?
Ubud now is the trend for opening the jungle or river clubs.
Jungle or river club, that's the nowadays trend in Ubud. So we will see how it is, because I see that in Instagram always full book.
It's the money.
Alright, so we arrived. Let's say arrived to the destination, because as you saw,
we still need to walk 100 meters.
The parking guy has said 100 meters, but he was like not 100% sure if it's 100 meters. Anyway, as you can see, it's the small road to heading to the jungle bar, and the road was little bit and the road also was little bit off-road. So yeah, and it's literally in the middle of nowhere, on the middle of the
before we check it in Google Map, it doesn't exist in
it's
Google
not exist on the Google Map.
And then I check it in Instagram, even they make a post like don't follow Google Map. Something like that.
Basically, if you're coming from the Ubud center, you go into Maya Ubud Hotel, and before that, at the corner, is like a very sharp corner, is the sign of the Klapa Muda. Yeah, so. Yo, what's up, mate? That seems like busy eating tasty grass. I think we arrived. What do you think, honey?
Yeah, I think this is the place.
Alright, let's check this out inside.
It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money.
We just ordered some goodies. This is the place actually, and this is beautiful rice field over here, and small path. Actually, I just noticed when we arrived here, as we used to be staying in the hotel, in the villa actually over there. It's called Adiwana Bee House. I will put link in the description or in the comment if you're interested. That was exactly 5 months ago, and you will see also how's the beautiful area over there, because I fly drone and stuff like this. And also the very interesting thing is how's our vlogging style and quality has changed during 5 months. Comment below also after you watch on the new video. And anyway, this is the jungle club, rice field club. Let's say this is something new in Ubud nowadays, very famous. A lot of places like this. making shots around. Here is jacuzzi and infinity pool, but infinity overlooking the rice fields. Very nice vibe. Some people, and I just noticed while actually making these shots for you, as I'm only literally one foreigner here, bula, however you call that, so it's quite a strange experience, but actually I already used to live with that during the March. It's quite common thing. And yeah, so this is the pool area, and this is cabanas. I think they are not ready yet. This place is still a little bit under the development, and behind that beautiful coconut trees are the another long way of the rice fields. So super cool.
It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money. Money.
Honey, what are you doing?
There's a swing. I want to jump.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, be careful. I think it belongs to different place, honey.
Oh, this is a swimming pool?
I think it belongs to different company, la.
Oh, okay.
But I don't know. You can try. Go. Just be careful, la. Jesus.
Can I jump? Jeez.
Honey, be careful.
Whoa. Can I jump? Alright, so we just finished, what is it?
Our brunch.
Little bit pizza and a mocktail actually.
A little bit too local taste. I mean, they are very sweet, so, and
Yeah, for
texture
the mocktail
also.
it's just like,
Yeah,
for me, very sweet.
But
It's
the
just like
prices
too
are-
much syrup in it.
but the prices are very good, so good
The
compromise.
price is affordable, and then
Affordable.
if you are crazy of Instagram,
Good.
that's good for you.
But it's nice vibe here. Fully recommended anyway, at least to try. Right, honey?
Yeah. All right, so now after we are in Kelapa Muda, so we have this Instagram spot. As you see, like some of the youngsters just come here, bring their fancy cameras and making fancy pictures for the Instagram.
So we are just at the corner of
Monkey Forest.
Monkey Forest is there, and as you saw everywhere around, it's actually not much is happening over here.
Still the same.
Not even monkeys actually. The new
Yeah.
is because monkeys are gone. I don't know where are the monkeys.
Okay, so now we are in Ubud Center.
We are passing Ubud Center, and as you can see, actually some tourists here.
Yeah, domestic tourists are here actually, and as you see, the big bus stuck in the front. I don't know. Alright, so after we walk in Ubud and then now it's dinner time, so we decided to have a dinner here. So here is the, I think that's kind of a new restaurant also in the, just maybe 10 minutes from Ubud Center. It's called BG World.
And
So
there's also BMW.
yeah,
salon.
so In here in BG World, you can see like they have a BMW. I think that
Motorcycles.
showroom over there, and yeah, like galleries here. Alright, so this is a brand new place. This is not paid endorsement, actually. I just found it out in Instagram. As you see, the design is very unique, you know. Like
We are actually on
inside.
the back side, but here where is the building is like a closed lounge, and down there is the sitting area. Here some fishes, a lot of things.
So inside here, they also have Apple reseller. Let's see how it is inside. So I asked the guy, so how much is the cheapest? This one is the cheapest bike. It's about 170 million. Oh my god, I think that's the price of our car actually.
Yes.
And the most expensive one is this one. This one costs you 1.2 billion rupiah.
The same price of Alpha.
Only two available in Indonesia. So the first one owned by the famous singer in Indonesia, Ariel Noah, and the second one is here. Ooh la la! So this is our dinner. Actually, I ordered sweet sour fish. Oh, look at this! Looks so yum. My mouth already watering. And then what you have, honey?
I
Yeah.
have a chicken cordon bleu.
Oh, look at the sauce and with the egg. Oh my god, my mouth already watering.
What is it, honey?
Sweet sour fish. So good. Good rice. Oh yum. Alright. So we already had the dinner, and the dinner place is so
nice, so
The
good.
food so amazing, and we paid all of our food today just around 160k.
Plus, I had the coffee, what I didn't show you because I already drink it.
So
Then
cheap.
so it's actually quite cheap.
And the big portion of the food, and Damian almost full. Look at his tummy. So yeah, I think that's all our video today in Ubud. Thank you for watching, and as usual, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, guys. See you. Take care.
Bye. Wow, so this is the mechanic of the BMW. So cool.